So this is a waterfall that we've just put onto our koi pond, which doesn't have too many koi in it right now. So it really was just a matter of sitting it on the side of the pond and turning it on. Looks pretty cool. So once again, what these waterfalls are really good for is to turn your fish pond into much more of a three-dimensional display, and it really does look pretty cool. The big sound in the background is not so much the sound of the waterfall, but the fact that it's raining so hard at the moment. So these things are also perfect for swimming pools. So if you want to put a waterfall on the side of your swimming pool, you can literally do it yourself. You can just buy this waterfall. There's a whole range of them available from Universal Rocks, and then you literally just pop it on the edging of your pool, and you plug the pump in, turn it on. It's pretty simple. You can also run it from the outlet of your pool filter. But the beautiful, tranquil sound of a waterfall really is beautiful. So either to jazz up your existing pond, or even just a feature in your backyard, or a feature off your pool. It's pretty cool. There's a whole range of different ones available.